You probably can't hear me, but this is Hurricane Beryl, Huntsville, Texas, aka Prison City. I'm here at the Veterans Museum in Walker County. This is our storm shelter. Oh man, it's coming down. I've been here for about 30 minutes, maybe closer to an hour, and it's only getting stronger. It's only gotten stronger. It's 10 o'clock right now. The morning after. Yeah, the morning after. I tell you, I get the Texas City blues down here because it's raining down here in Texas. Yeah, it's a Texas flood. Yeah, I woke up this morning. The rain was falling down. Yeah, I woke up this morning. And the rain was falling down. And trees and cities crying, Hurricane Beryl. Yeah. Like a Texas flood if I ever seen one.